Hello YouTube. I'm doing a video on my Moto Z Play, and my phone just finally got the update to Nougat, Android 7.0 Nougat. So I'm going to show you how it updates to Android 7.0 Nougat. So I'm going to go into my settings. It pops up on the screen every now and then. So go to About Phone and then click System Updates, and there it is. So it has all the enhancements of Nougat, multitasking features, more efficient notification controls, and improved data saver, battery features, and I guess it has more support to the Moto mods, which I don't have because they're pretty expensive. So let's do it. I'm gonna click it because I've been clicking no, maybe later, but this time I'm gonna click yes, I'm in. And if you're gonna do this, I didn't click it, but if you're gonna do this, you're gonna have to have enough battery to do this, and you need your Wi-Fi to do this, so it doesn't burn up all your data. So I'm going to go ahead and press it. Make room for another update. Please delete unused apps. I don't think I need to do that. So now it's saying that an update is being currently downloaded. You'll be notified when the download is completed. Once the download is complete, then it'll let me install Nougat into the phone. So I'm going to click OK. So basically, when you press yes, I'm in, it's going to be downloading Nougat in the background. So once it's done, it's going to pop this screen up right here. It was kind of weird how it got here, but I just kept pressing system updates, and it finally popped up the screen saying that it's downloading in the back. And so once it's finished downloading, this is going to pop up right here. So install system update. It's going to take about 20 minutes, and let's do it. Install. Nougat is going to be erase the is going to replace the Android Marshmallow on this Moto Z Play. Android 6.0 or 6.0.1 and be changed into Nougat 7.0. So install. It restarts in 6 seconds. Here we go. Processing the update package. Restarting. Moto Not showing the real color of this thing very well. That's the way it should look. So it's installing the update, the system update. I wish Motorola or Moto would do more updates to their phones. They used to do more updates when they were under Google. But that new company, Lenovo, whatever it's called, that company is the one that's under, that Motorola is under right now. And ever since they bought them, they have not been doing good updates to the Motorola phones at all. So hopefully that changes, because they've been doing poor updates to their phones. I mean, they make solid phones, Motorola. This phone right here is very good. Has the best battery life I've ever seen on any phone. I'm telling you, this phone is a must get if you want good battery life in your phones. Apps like Facebook, Snapchat that burn your phone down, your phone will still be able to last you a whole day almost if you use those apps. Now, if you use Snapchat, you're going to be using Snapchat for at least 6 hours. If you use any other phone, Snapchat will burn your phone down in like 2 or 3 hours. This is from 100% to 0. This phone can last if you use Snapchat. At least 6 hours screen on time with Snapchat. And Snapchat has poor optimization with Android phones. But if you don't use Snapchat, this thing can at least, it can last you about 2 days. If you use like, just using it for daily needs, maybe like calling people on the phone, texting people with, maybe using like WhatsApp, or using, regular text messaging, SMS and MMS. It doesn't take any battery life off this phone. You can search and browse the internet, use Google Chrome, and this phone is gonna Chrome doesn't burn the life out of this phone. Now, if you're using stuff like GPSs and like Google Maps and a lot of GPS type apps, like even Snapchat, or if you're into dating, going to Tinder or something like that, even Pokemon Go, they use a lot of GPS. They tend to burn your life down on your phone, your battery life down. But that's the beauty of this phone. It really can last you a long time compared to a lot of Android phones. Considering this phone being a mid-range phone, it's really, really good. Phones like the Samsung S7, they don't even last you that long like this phone. This phone's really, really it's made me proud, really. So this update is gonna take a while, so probably gonna pause it right here till it gets closer to the end. So it looks like it's completed finally. Wow. It changed the way it looks now. The opening screen. Put Motorola's symbol here. Powered by Android.
Hello, Moto.
That's the company that's behind Motorola. Lenovo. There's a reason why Motorola can't get good updates anymore, or timely updates like they used to when they were under Google. That was a little cute little intro. I wonder if it'll do that all the time when it turns on when the phone boots up again. Optimizing all the apps into Nougat. So we're finally nearing the end of this optimizing apps in this upgrading process to Nougat. The notification looks different now. They use those sheets now instead of those cards like they did in um, have Greenify. That's why it's doing that. I guess it's backing up some of those things. So I have to turn this back on again. Nova launcher. And it's completed the update to Nougat. I'm gonna press OK. Wow, look at the panel here. It looks different now. That's better. I like this better than how it was in Marshmallow. And it has the suggestions here now. This looks different. It says storage here only now instead of storage in USB. And Moto mods are here still. That's still there. The system UI. And now look at that. Android 7.0. Nougat. Seven point oh. Nougat. So it's pretty much the same as Marshmallow. It's slightly different. I really like this interface they do now, Android. This materials design ever since Lollipop. But now the new update for Android O is already in the works. So I hope they don't go wean away from this design they started since Lollipop. But I hope they continue to optimize and make Android continue to get better and get better battery life. This phone right here is one of the best phones you can get. There's not a lot of talk about this phone, but it's a really good phone. Everyone's gonna always talk about Samsung being the best, but if you like stock Android and you want something that works, this is a good phone. I was gonna get the Google Pixel, but Google Pixel was never in stock, so this was the best phone to get. And hopefully the Nokia flagship is actually really good. So If it's really good, then look at that, I got Snapchat right here. If it's really good, then I might even look at that phone, because that's running stock Android and stock Nougat. So hope you guys enjoyed my update to Android Nougat with this phone. I'm gonna do another video on how the battery life is and how the phone is working. You know, how the Moto Z Play is on Nougat. You know, like a kind of a short little review on the battery life too. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.